In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view invoices in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the official invoice documents for the current month, so you can reconcile expenses or share them with your finance team confidently. First, go to your Google Ads account. Open as googleba.com in your browser and sign into the account that's responsible for billing the campaigns you want to review. If you manage more than one account, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. It's also helpful to ensure your user role has billing access. If you don't see billing options later, you may need to have someone with admin privileges adjust your permissions. Next, click Billing. You'll find Billing in the left-hand navigation panel. If the menu is collapsed, click the menu icon to expand it. The billing area is your financial hub in Google Ads, where you can see transactions, payments, and all the official documents tied to your payment profile. From there, click Summary. The Summary page provides an at-a-glance view of your account's financial status, including recent charges and your current balance. This is also where invoice documents are surfaced in a clear, centralized place, making it easy to find what you need without digging through multiple screens. On the Summary page, look for the section that groups documents by month. The current month should be visible right away. Click on the current month and then click View Documents. This opens the official documents for that period, including the invoice generated for your account. In most cases, the invoice is provided as a PDF, showing billing details such as your business information, tax identifiers where applicable, the total amount, and a breakdown of charges. If your account is set to automatic payments, invoices typically appear after charges post. If you have monthly invoicing, the document is created on the schedule defined for your billing setup. If you don't see the document yet, it may simply not be generated for the current cycle. Checking back later usually resolves this. A quick tip: verify that the legal business details on your invoice match your records to avoid reconciliation issues. Also, if you work across regions, remember that invoice availability can align with the account's time zone, so end-of-month documents might appear slightly later than you expect. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, clicked Billing, opened the Summary page, and selected the current month to view documents. From the opened invoice, you can save or print using your browser's standard controls. You now know exactly where to find your invoices in Google Ads whenever you need them.